Hello and welcome to the Fix Your Apps channel. Today we're diving into the 5 best collage apps for iPhone to help you get creative and combine your favorite memories into beautiful layouts. Whether you're a casual user or a creative pro, we've got an app for you, and now let's get started. At number 5 on our list, we have Moldiv photo editor Collage with a strong 4.7 out of 5-star rating from over 36,000 reviews. Moldiv is a comprehensive app that goes beyond just collages, offering a wide range of creative tools for professional-looking photo editing. This app features 3 standout capabilities. Beauty camera, it includes a live camera with selfie filters to capture naturally beautiful photos right in the app. Amazing filters. With over 200 filters in 14 themes, you'll have plenty of options to find the perfect look for your photos. Professional photo editing, it provides a full suite of editing tools, including text with hundreds of fonts and a huge collection of stickers. Now let's take a look at the app's interface. When you open it, you'll see the main options right away. Tapping on the camera icon launches the in-app camera with live filters. The edit button takes you to the powerful photo editing suite for single photos. Next, the collage option lets you choose from a wide variety of grids and frames to combine multiple pictures. You'll also see an option for templates, which provides pre-designed layouts for easy and stylish creations. And finally, the magazine feature lets you create dynamic magazine-style photo layouts, giving your work a polished and professional look. Moldiv's layout is well organized, putting all its creative tools right at your fingertips. At number 4 is PicsArt. This app is a powerhouse, boasting a 4.7 out of 5-star rating from over 1.2 million reviews. PicsArt is an all-in-one AI-powered design studio for both photos and videos, perfect for creating professional quality content and inspiring visual stories. This app stands out with 3 key features. All-in-one AI photo and video editor, PicsArt combines a comprehensive suite of editing tools for both photos and videos, all enhanced by AI. Create social content with easy templates. It provides a vast library of customizable templates to quickly create stunning social media posts, flyers, and more. Remove and upgrade background in seconds. With its AI-powered background remover, you can easily change or upgrade backgrounds to create pro-quality product shot or creative designs. Now let's explore the app's user interface. When you open PicsArt, you'll see a clean, organized layout. The Discover tab is a great place to start, as it showcases trending designs and creative inspiration from the PicsArt community. The Spaces option takes you to a social area where you can share ideas and get inspired by other creators. The Create button is the heart of the app, where you can start a new project from scratch, whether it's a photo, video, or collage. The My Files tab is your personal library, where you can access all your saved projects. Finally, the Profile button allows you to manage your account and view your own creations. The PicsArt interface is designed to make powerful editing tools accessible and fun. At number 3, we have a layout from Instagram. This app has a near-perfect 4.8 out of 5-star rating from over 4,000 reviews and is developed by Instagram itself, making it a seamless and user-friendly tool for creating simple, clean photo collages. Here are its 3 standout features. Remix photos into collage with a bunch of layouts. This is the core of the app, allowing you to combine multiple photos into a single cohesive image using a variety of grid options. Craft stunning Instagram stories effortlessly with beautifully designed templates. It offers pre-made templates specifically for Instagram stories, taking your content to the next level. Edit photo like a pro with crop, rotate, flip, skew tools. You have full creative control to adjust each individual photo within the collage using powerful editing tools. Now let's navigate the app's interface. Upon opening Layout, you are immediately taken to the photo selection screen. As you tap Photos, the top of the screen displays different layout options that you can choose from. Once you pick a layout, you'll see a grid preview of your collage. From there, you can tap on each photo to edit it. The plus button in the corner allows you to quickly add more photos. And if you need to adjust any preferences, the settings option lets you customize how the app works. The app's design is minimalist and straightforward, which makes creating a polished collage incredibly fast and easy. At number 2, we have PhotoGrid. This app has a near perfect 4.9 out of 5-star rating from over 100,000 reviews and is one of the most complete collage apps available. It's designed to help you create stunning images for all social media platforms, from Instagram and TikTok to Facebook and YouTube. Here are the 3 standout features of PhotoGrid. Eye removal. It has a powerful AI tool that can effortlessly remove unwanted objects and backgrounds from your photos. High quality resolution enhance. You can enhance the resolution of your images, ensuring your collages look crisp and detailed even on large screens. Cut out and change backgrounds. This feature lets you precisely cut out subjects from your photos and place them on new creative backgrounds. Now let's take a quick walkthrough of the app's user interface. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a simple navigation bar. The home button is your main hub showing recent updates and popular templates. Tapping on templates brings up a huge library of over 20,000 different layouts and designs for you to choose from. The central create button is where you'll start a new project, whether it's a collage, a video grid, or simple photo edit. The Material tab gives you access to a vast collection of stickers, fonts, and background patterns. Finally, the Me tab is your personal profile where you can view your creations, manage your settings, and access premium features. PhotoGrid's interface is intuitive and packed with everything you need to create amazing visuals. At number 1 on our list is Pic Collage. This app is a fan favorite with a fantastic 4.8 out of 5-star rating from a massive 1.8 million reviews. It's the go-to app for creating collages, cards, and animated templates with an intuitive and fun interface that lets you turn your photos and videos into shareable memories. Here are 3 standout features that make it the best. Layouts for all occasions. PicCollage offers a huge library of ready-to-use grids and layouts perfect for any event from birthdays to travel recaps. Transform with Magic. The app includes a magic cutout tool that uses AI to effortlessly remove backgrounds and isolate subjects. Erase unwanted objects. A magic erase feature lets you remove distracting elements from your photos with just a few taps, ensuring every picture is perfect. Now let's explore the app's clean and inviting interface. When you open the app, you'll see a prominent Create Plus button, which is where you start making a new collage. In the corner, the My Collages button gives you access to all your saved projects. When you tap to create, you'll be given a few options. The Elements button lets you add stickers, text, and other fun design features to your collage. You can also select the Grids option to choose a classic structured layout. And for more creative freedom, the Freestyle option lets you arrange your photos and videos however you want on a blank canvas. PicCollage is designed to be both simple for beginners and powerful enough for creative pros. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more app reviews and tutorials.